What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video, and in this video we're going to be comparing the JBL Clip 4 versus the JBL Go 3. These are two very compact, very portable Bluetooth speakers from JBL, so we're going to cover the similarities as well as the differences to hopefully help you guys decide which is the better buy for you. The JBL Go 3 comes in at just 40 bucks, while the JBL Clip 4 comes in at 70 bucks. So there is a $30 price difference. And after you watch the video, if you're interested in grabbing either of these speakers, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. Feel free to check out the timestamps down there as well. So the speakers have just about the same build quality. Obviously the Clip 4 has the built-in carabiner hook, while the Go 3 just has the simple loop. But aside from that, they're pretty much the same in terms of how they feel. The Clip 4 appears to be slightly larger, but they're actually pretty close in size once you get them side by side. You're getting a little more convenience with the built-in carabiner hook on the Clip 4, but honestly, if you wanted to get creative, you could buy your own carabiner and attach it to the loop of the Go 3. Both speakers are running Bluetooth 5.1, so you're not really going to notice a difference in terms of the Bluetooth connection. They both also have IP67 dust and water resistant ratings, so you're getting the same level of protection. Now where the Clip 4 starts to separate itself is with its 10 hours of battery life compared to the 5 of the Go 3. Now as far as the sound quality, the two speakers are extremely close, but there are some small differences between the two. And it actually takes you listening to the speakers side by side and really nitpicking to notice the differences. But I do feel like the bass of the Clip 4 sounds slightly warmer, has a slightly richer sound to it compared to the Go 3. And I also feel like the max volume of the Clip 4 is just a tad louder. But again, these are very small differences and you really have to listen closely to even notice. Now let's go ahead and play some audio samples of both speakers. Now I'm not sure if the difference in sound will translate on camera, but we'll give it a shot. So overall, these are two really great Bluetooth speakers. They're very similar, but they do have some key differences here and there. So it really just depends on what you're looking for. So again, if you're interested in grabbing either of these speakers, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. It does help support the channel anytime you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.